My dear students, how are you? Hope you are all well. You all welcome to Bulbul Tutor English channel. Today I am discussing about present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense. Now let's get started. Look at the sentences. Number 1. I have been waiting for my mother since 3 p.m. Number 2. The children had been making a lot of noise for quite some time when the teacher entered. Number 3. By the end of this month, I will have been learning to play the piano for 5 years. In each of these sentences, we use the perfect as well as the continuous forms of the verbs. Such usage is known as the perfect continuous tense. Look at this table. Present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous is used, number 1, to express an action that began at some time in the past and has been in progress till the time of speaking. For example, number 1, Katie has been walking since 6 in the morning. Katie started walking at 6 in the morning and is still walking. Number 2, to express an action that has just finished or that finished only a short time ago. Number 1. Neha has been watching television. Neha has stopped watching now. Number 3. To express repeated actions. For example, number 1. I have been getting this journal every week for a year. Note, there is sometimes very little difference between the meaning of the present perfect and the meaning of the present perfect continuous tense. Number 1, I have been working at this site for 3 years. Number 2, I have worked here for 3 years. Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous is used, number 1, to express an action that began before a particular moment in the past and was still taking place or had just finished at that moment when another action took place. For example, number 1, when I visited Gwalior, he had been teaching there for a year. Number 2, I had been driving for an hour when I heard a sound in the gearbox. Number 2, to talk about repeated actions in the past. For example, number 1, she had been trying to fix this all day. Future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous is used to express an action which will begin before a definite moment in the future, will continue up to that moment and will be in progress even at that moment. Number 1, by the end of the year, I shall have been living in Delhi for 7 years. Number 2, when their mother returns home at 5 o'clock, Rita will have been watching television for 4 hours. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe it and share amongst your friends. Thank you for watching this video.